Right, guys, so you should have opened this on assignments. The title is Series and Parallel Circuits. It says our learning objective or learning question is, what are the differences between series and parallel circuits? So we should all know what circuits are by now. Now, we have a picture of a series circuit and we have a picture of a parallel circuit. Now, your job is to spot the differences. So I'm going to give you a minute and a half to write inside here what differences you see. Only writing, no shouting out, please. A minute and a half starts now. Let's go.
Mister, I can't see the screen because I'm on my phone. My tablet has no charge.
You can't see the screen.
Can you open the
أنا ما
PowerPoint?
أقدر أشوف.
Sir, yesterday I was absent.
Charge and then you will see.
Sir, yesterday I was absent
Okay, good for you.
because I was sick.
You need to focus now.
Mister, now in the 1 minute and a half, what I do? I see the 14 slide.
Yeah. No.
Ah.
You're not listening. In the box here, it says spot the differences. What differences do you see between this one and this one?
The A and B. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. One is called a series.
And one is parallel.
Series. And one is called parallel. Okay?
The series are parallel and the minus.
Right, guys, I don't want to hear anyone's voice. There's no need for voices now. I will ask some of you in 30 seconds' time. Okay, Abdullah Umar. Abdullah Umar. Anyone there? Abdullah Umar? He's not there. Okay, can I ask Ahmed Khalifa? Are you there?
I'm here, Mister.
I said Ahmed Khalifa. No? Okay. Harith, tell me the difference.
The difference is in the series circuit. When you connect it to the battery, it like the light shines continuously, but in the parallel circuit, you can turn and off the light.
Okay.
Mister, can I tell you something?
And the parallel circuit have a switch also. Switch and light and battery.
خلاص اسكت يا أخي.
And the series circuit
Mr.
have
Saeed.
a battery and light.
No, we're a bit busy. Wait till we have finished speaking. You can't just shout out. Yes, Harith, continue.
The series circuit have battery and light, and the parallel circuit have switch and light and battery.
Thank you. Yes, Hamid Rashid, you want to say something?
Mister, I'm here.
Thank you, Ahmed. Hamid Rashid. Now you're quiet.
He went out.
Okay. Right, so moving on. So parallel circuits, they're very useful. These ones, yeah, we're talking about. They're very useful because, like Harith said, light can be switched on and off separately from the others. So as you can see here, some of them are on and the others are off. In circuit A, both bulbs are on all the time. In circuit B, bulbs W, this one, and X, this one,
off.
are on all the time. Bulb Y only comes on if you press switch 1. Switch 1 there.
Because switch one.
That's all I'm speaking. Thank you. If you want all of the bulbs to come on, you have to press both switches. Switch 2 is there. The two types of circuits behave in different ways. In a series circuit, one bulb breaks, then guess what? If this one breaks, then this one also breaks because there's a
your sound
in a circuit.
is cutting.
Can you hear me now?
Mister, you are showing the slide in the meeting because I open the slide from meeting from the assessment.
Yeah.
Mr. Now we can see the slide.
You can see or no?
Yes, now I can.
Okay, good. Okay, so in a parallel circuit, if one bulb breaks, the bulbs in the other branches stay on. So if one bulb breaks, if this one breaks, no problem. The others stay on because the current has another route to go all the way around. So that's the main differences. In a series, if one bulb is broken, all of them break. In a parallel, if one bulb breaks, the others can stay on. Now, answer box. You should have this. Question 1, what is the difference between a series circuit and a parallel circuit? And then question 2, do you think lights in your house are on a series or parallel circuit? Explain your answer. You guys have 4 minutes to complete this in the answer box here. So write your answers there, please. In 4 minutes, I'm going to ask you your answers. Let's go.
Mr. We cannot.
If you can't do it, just write it down on paper.
Mister, I can't write this.
So download it.
Mr.
can
how will I do it? I'm on my phone.
كيف عاد؟
Write on paper, write it in the chat.
Okay.
So I can see your answer.
Sir, can I answer
Can everyone
question 1?
mute their mics? I don't want to hear kids in the background, please.
Sir, can I answer?
No, not yet. You've got 4 minutes. Well, you've got 3.5 minutes now.
Mr.
To answer both questions.
choose الحارث to answer. You don't choose another student.
Well, when I called you,
ما خلص نجاوب صح بعدين تعال تكلم.
that's not true. When I called you, you didn't answer.
When, Mr.
I called you, I called Ahmed. Nobody answered.
Mr. Because I want to get water.
So how are you blaming me? You weren't even there.
Okay,
Come on,
read
Hussein.
me
Work.
after.
Do your work.
Mr. Lagging. Yes, Mr.
Come on, you got 2.5 minutes left. Let's go.
Mr. Said.
Yes.
Mr. Said.
Yes.
I was here before, but your voice is breaking out. So I'm leaving, and then they say there is a problem, and then I'm joining like this. I don't know what's the problem.
Okay, yes, is my voice okay now? My voice okay now?
No, it's breaking out like this. Like
Still
this.
breaking? Is it still breaking? Hello.
What, Mister? It's breaking your voice.
No, or can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Good.
No,
Thank you.
no, I can hear like this.
Mr.
There might be something wrong with your connection then, because other people can hear me.
No, Mr. I am 5G. There is no
5G. 5G, there's no problem, huh? 5G.
Mr. I answered in the chat. Can you see it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look now.
الله يلعنك أصور لك يا حيوان.
Hello. You
Yeah,
are
Hamad.
being recorded.
Yeah, Hamad.
And you wanna have bad language? You're being recorded.
Mr.
Sir,
my question.
can I answer? No?
see my answer.
Harith, can't you do it in your assignment?
I did it in the chat. Because, okay, I will do it now in the assignment.
Harith, listen, you can't just make up your own rules.
Because you said also answer in the chat.
No, not for you. I said if you cannot do it in your assignment.
Okay, Mr.
Then
Why
do-
delete it? I want to copy this to the chat with the assignment.
Well, it's too late now.
What's too late, يا أخي? Why did you... شي.
Because it's do it. If you don't like it, Harith, you need to just mute your mic and just listen to the lesson and do the task, please.
So can I answer now?
Who's that? Is that Mohammed? Is it?
Mister, it's
Yes,
kicking me from the meeting.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, let me make everyone an attendee and then. Wow, some people are very, very late.
Mr. Sayed.
Yes. Can you hear me now clearly?
Sayed,
Or no?
I'm leaving and joining. Now the voice is okay, but before it's cutting. Cut.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, Mohammed Masood, can you please give me the answers? What's the difference?
Yes, sir. I will go toilet.
The difference between series circuit and parallel circuit.
Yes.
The series circuit it do not have a switch, and it just contain a wire and batteries and bulbs.
Okay.
And the parallel circuits, it has a switch, and it can be means 4 bulbs, and it's set separately. Means you can switch off one and let the another 2 on.
Okay, yeah, you're partly
And-
right. So,
It's
go on, carry on.
more bigger than the series.
Mister, I can't see anything.
You can't see anything.
Yes. And I can't hear. Hello.
Okay.
And if the one wire has been cutted, it's okay. The another bulb will be still on. But in the series circuit, if you just cut the wire, the 2 bulbs will, or the 3 bulbs will switch off, because
Okay,
it contains just
well-
one wire.
the go on to forms, just normal form. If you see this series circuit, it's not series because it doesn't have a switch. In fact, series circuits can have a switch. So that's not 100% true, but with the parallel, I think you got it mostly right. What about number 2, Mohammed?
Number 2, do you think the light in your house are? I think the light in our house is parallel, because most
Why?
if you got most of the house light, it contain 2 switches, or 2 switches or more. But sometimes in the home there is a serious parallel circuit. Means 4 bulbs with 1 switch just.
Sir,
Okay, so what's your answer? Your answer is that there are parallel circuits in your house, yeah?
No, there is 2 parallel and series.
Okay, where in the house would there be a series circuit?
And in our house, and the rooms contain 2 switches, parallel circuits, and in
Parallel.
the place where we sit,
Majlis.
living room.
Okay, yeah, living room.
Mister.
Can I ask Hussein to share your answers with us, please? Hussein.
Mister. Sayyid.
Mister,
Yeah.
I will
which
go toilet, okay?
Okay.
one I answer?
Both.
The first,
Yeah.
the difference between series circuit and parallel is that parallel, if one bulb broke, the others continue. But in series, if one bulb break, all break after.
Excellent. Well done, Hussein. Did you write that down in your assignment?
Yeah,
No, mister.
I will write it, Mister. And I will
Guys, make sure you're writing your answers in the answer box. What about the second question, Hussein?
For the second, Mister, I think that in our homes we have a parallel circuit and not a series circuit, because sometimes a light in our home stop working, but the others are still working in the same time.
Ah, excellent. Well done. Very smart thinking. Okay,
Mister,
let's have a
there's
look at
something
the
wrong
answers.
about Hussein. He say in the first question, he said that if in the series circuit, if there is one light broke, the other will not work.
Oh, you said
No,
parallel.
in the also, if there is one bulb, the glass which cover the light, if it breaks, also the other bulbs will still be lighting up.
No, in a series, okay, in a series circuit, if the light bulb in a series circuit breaks, then all of the other light bulbs will break. However, in a parallel circuit, if one of the light bulbs break, the others
Will stay on.
may not break, yeah, because there's another way. Okay, so here's the answers, guys. So, a series circuit has all of its components in one loop. So there's one loop. What does one loop mean? It means like this. Whereas a parallel has two or more branches, which means this. There and there, yeah? If you imagine a battery here, etc. Whoops. If you imagine a light bulb there, light bulb there. Sorry, it's a bit hard for me to draw. Light bulb there, yeah? Whereas a series, imagine a battery there, and then the light bulbs here. Light bulbs here. They're in one loop, okay? Now, in a house, yes, you're correct, parallel. Why? Because each light can be switched on and off separately, and they do not all go off if one breaks. Very good, Hussein. Right, guys, so can I ask, let's see, Ahmed. Is Ahmed there? Ahmed Khalifa.
Yes, mister.
What type of circuit is this?
This is parallel circuit.
Parallel, thank you. So if you remember last week, we mentioned that current or the electricity is measured in amps. This A thing here. Oops, what happened? 1 second, guys. Yeah, this A here is amps. That's the amount of electricity. So this component here with the A, this is an ammeter. It measures the amount of current. This is what? Somebody? These things, what are they?
Bulb.
Bulbs, thank you. What's this?
Battery.
Cell or battery, okay. What do you guys notice about the amps? Why is it 2 here, but 1 here and 1 here? Are they equal? Anybody? Are they equal?
No, Mister, no.
Oh, so what are they? What does 0.1 plus 0.1 equal? What does it equal?
It's equal, I think, to the amount of this one, the C.
The C?
Power.
The power? No, this is diagram C. Don't worry about that. Do you mean this?
Maybe it's not because like it says like this one, the numbers, so it says the amount in power of the circuit.
So the battery gives off 0.2 amps and across a parallel circuit is shared. Look, 0.1 plus 0.1,
Up and down.
0.2. So it's shared, okay?
Yes.
So look, the current is the same everywhere in a series circuit. So if this was a series, it will be 0.2 everywhere.
Yes.
Okay? But in a parallel circuit, it splits up when it branches. So if you add more bulbs in a series circuit, the current gets smaller, but the bulbs get dimmer. In a parallel circuit, if you add more branches with bulbs, the bulbs stay bright. Because it's easier for the current to flow with more branches, because there are more ways for the charges to go around. So in a series circuit, if we add many light bulbs, they'll become dim. Dim is the opposite of bright. Okay?
Like Mr. It will be non-bright, like too much, like little bit, very, very, very little. Because
Hussein,
it's not.
Hussein,
Yes.
which
Mr. Your
diagram
drawing
I
is
just drew,
excellent.
diagram 1 or diagram 2, which one will have the brightest light bulb?
Brighter. 2.
2, excellent, because there's only one light bulb. Where here, they have to share.
Less
Okay?
amount.
This does not happen. This doesn't happen in a parallel circuit. Okay, right. So thinking skills. We're gonna try and think of all the answers. All the bulbs in the circuit go off at once. So what could it be?
Circuit.
It must be a series. Thank you. Okay. What else? The bulb may have been removed or broken. What about now? All circuits should be series circuits. What do you think about that? Harith?
Harith, talk.
Now he doesn't want to talk.
Mr. is not here.
What happened?
Okay. Mohammed Masood.
Yes, Mister.
All circuits should be series circuits. Do you agree?
All the circuit what?
They should be series.
No,
No, why?
because there are some places we need to use parallel circuit.
Yeah. You could switch on all the lights in the house at once. That could be a benefit.
Because-
that could be a good
Because
thing.
like the house, you need just to keep the right side or the left side bright, and the other side is.
So that could be a bad point as well. Okay. Consider any questions which might have the following answer. So here's the answer. Okay. I want you to come up with the question. Let's ask who's online. Ahmed Khalifa. The answer is parallel. Parallel. What's the question? Make up a question quickly.
I make a question, Mr. about the barrier. This?
Yeah, the answer is parallel. What's your question?
Four bulbs and one switch.
Is that your question?
Yes, this.
Okay.
Mr. I have.
Or, this.
Jasim Yusuf. Guys, mute your mics, please.
Sir, I have.
Jasim Yusuf, the answer is parallel. What's your question? Jasim not there.
Mister, I have a question. I say it.
Yeah, Mr. I have.
Mister, I say it or no?
Jasim Yusuf's not there. Go on then, Hussein. Go on.
You, Mr.
Which no, Mister. Name the circuit that has that if a bulb breaks, the other will still work on.
Excellent, Hussein. Very good. You could have also said in which type of circuits do bulbs keep their brightness if you had more of them. Right, the next one. Series is the answer. I need a question.
Mister.
Someone who has an answer.
Mister, I have a good question.
Who's that?
Me, Mohammed Masoud.
Go on then.
Where we can find the parallel circuits.
No, the answer is series. What's your question?
Or series, where we can find series circuits.
And the answer is series? No.
Mr. I have, Mr.
Go on, Mohammed. Yalla.
Oh,
What-
okay. The
What's
answer
the
is
circuit
clear.
that if it's broke, all the circuit will broke it?
Excellent. Yeah. Or you could have said in which type of circuit do bulbs get dimmer as you add? Very good. Excellent. Well done. Okay, guys. So, what I want you guys to do is make sure you've added all of your answers here and here. Okay. The next thing I want you guys to do, right, lesson 4 has finished. So what you guys need to do now is if you see on assignment, let me just share my screen. Okay. If you check on assignments now, guys, all right? You'll see series and parallel. Then you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 worksheets that you need to complete, okay? By the end of next lesson.
The lesson finished.
No, so you have another lesson now. That's what you need to do.
Mister, complete all the assignments.
Mister, we have Arabic.
No. That's in period 6. Now is period 5.
Double science we have.
Double science, exactly. So you need to answer. Yeah, okay? So what I want everyone to do now is have your mics on mute. Open worksheet 1, worksheet 2.
Mister, how can I answer
answer.
and it's a paper?
Mister,
Yeah, look.
when I want
How can
when I want to
I
highlight
answer,
the
Mister?
answer, Mister, when I want to highlight the answer or write, I cannot.
What?
They're all show me I can
cannot-
write and highlight.
Cannot write.
Okay, shall I show you what you guys need to do then?
Mister, you can.
Mr. I'm back.
You can, Mister, highlight.
I cannot